book, one of many that you're going to complete throughout the year. Digital notebook, digital notebooks are just slideshows, right? That we work on, and so it'll tell you, the name. It's Digital Notebook One, and then some of the resources that you're going to use. In this case, you're going to use your textbook, and then any kind of links that I put into the digital notebook. Usually the second page is going to be a table of contents, and the table of contents is going to give you the lessons with the numbers. So lesson 1 is called Scavenger Hunt Text, and then it gives you the points. Okay. Google Classroom, I put stuff on Google Classroom, but I don't put that it's graded. It says ungraded, and that could be misleading to students because some students grade through Google Classroom. I don't like to grade through Google Classroom. It's very wonky. So if I put something on Google Classroom, assume that it's worth points until you find out that it's not. In this case, this notebook and all notebooks are worth points. Zooming in and out, there's some tips for that because sometimes I'll adjust the screen size. Okay, and so don't just zoom, Control Alt zoom. It's a lot easier to do. And so here's a lesson. Here's lesson 1 or assignment 1. Okay, it's scavenger hunt. And then what you're going to do, there are directions here. You're going to go through the textbook, and then you're going to find the answers, and then boom, you're going to type in. Okay. And then for today, if you go fast, I believe I'm going to have you do this in groups, breakout groups. Then you can go on to assignment 2, if you like, overarching questions. Okay. And then eventually we'll be done, but there's a lot of work to be done on a digital notebook. So don't assume that it's just done in one night because there's a lot of work to be done on it. And so I believe this week I'm going to have you do half of it up until the next time I meet. And then the second half, you'll be able to do it independently or during class. And that the whole thing would be due by, let's say, Saturday. Sometimes I'll have a digital notebook that is a lot longer. So there's a lot more lessons. And so it's strung out over 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, but this is our introduction one, so I'm making it short and to the point.